Yo, come on in.
We're here in Mass Landing Brewing Co. in Westbrook, and if you follow these folks on Instagram, you know they put out almost one new beer a week, making them one of the hottest breweries in Maine, and honestly, in the country. You know what else is pretty hot? My latest listing in Westbrook. Let's go check it out. And here we are at my latest listing in Victoria Heights in Westbrook. This modern Colonial is a perfect blend of luxurious upgrades with maybe just one or two opportunities for you to make it your own. Once inside, this open concept first floor has 5-inch wire brushed oak flooring, gas fireplace, and now let's check out the kitchen. The kitchen is where we hang out, where we prepare our foods for the holidays and bring people together, and what better place with a full range of monogram appliances, 6-burner gas stove, and you know what I love? I love when devices tell me how to do something and do it well. So right here, do you like bacon? Well, this is the place for you. We hit one button, we pick bacon, we say yes, we're cooking bacon, folks. And where are you gonna enjoy that? I'd love to imagine a huge farmhouse table right here to gather with all your friends. Folks, this has something for everyone. Now, I can't wait to show you upstairs. Upstairs, we have a primary bedroom complete with walk-in closet and primary bath, shower and tub. Then we have 2 really good sized bedrooms sharing a bathroom, 2nd floor laundry, and one of my favorite spaces over the garage, a pool room with a bar. Bacon's done. And right down at the lower level, your very own theater. Grab your popcorn, got that bacon we just cooked, sit down, relax, and watch your favorite movie or sports event.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
This house has so much to offer, and keep in mind, we haven't even gotten to show you the apartment behind the garage. Make sure you call your broker, set up your showing. This will not last. With weather like this, I'm gonna go back to the deck at Mass Landing in Westbrook. Thanks for watching.